Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to schedule text messages on your iPhone. Open the Messages app, then tap the compass button, tap the plus icon, then select Send Later. Now choose the date and time when you want to message to be sent. After that, tap the message field and type the text you want to send. Then enter or select the contact you want to send the message to and tap the send button. I'm sending this to another one of my number, so it automatically received the message, but but on your screen you'll see exactly when the scheduled message will be delivered. That's it. That's how you can schedule text messages on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.